Don't you dare start fifth year without watching this video. I've got 3 things to tell you. And if you haven't seen me before, I am Mrs. Maths Ireland and I'm an experienced maths teacher and state examiner, and this is the only place you need to be for all the Junior Cert and Leaving Cert maths tips. So make sure you subscribe. Number 1, be present. Stay up to date with the content that you're covering in your 5th year maths class. It's really, really important. This is relevant to ordinary level and higher level students. Don't underestimate how important it is to keep up with what's going on and make sure you understand it and understand the purpose of the maths skill you are studying. Flag any issues that need help, and don't underestimate the significance of doing your homework well and doing it with intention. Number 2, be aware of what you're actually trying to achieve here. So a lot of the time in 5th year, you're spending a lot of time learning new math skills or revisiting old math skills from your junior cert, but adding a little bit more to it. Think of it as if you have a massive maths toolbox, and all of those math skills you are putting into that toolbox, and you're creating something that when you do have a maths problem, you can dip into your toolbox and get all those skills out of there. So you are building up your math skills right now, and make sure you're aware of that and understand the process. And number 3, little by little. Little and often is really, really important. And the idea of marginal gains is such an effective way to even just live your life in general, apart from just leaving cert maths. So what I want you to do, if it's a case where you are struggling and it's hard work and it's not coming easily to you, and that's perfectly fine, you need to get into the habit of doing a regular revision. Doesn't have to be hours every single day. Schedule in 3 or 4 times a week and do a small amount of revision. Continually keep your math skills fresh, particularly algebra. Why? Because algebra is literally the foundational skills of most of the topics that you're going to study anyway. So even in like January of 6th year, the revision that you are doing now is still going to benefit you then and will be relevant then. So you want to build up those math skills and polish them off as best as you can. So little and often, marginal gains will win the race. So if you follow those 3 tips, you are sure to have a successful 5th year, and I'm so excited for you. Make sure you subscribe, like and share this with your maths besties so we can all achieve great things together.